In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a side-by-side comparison video in Clipchamp. First things first, open your preferred web browser and search for Clipchamp. Once you've located the official Clipchamp website, go ahead and log in. If you don't already have an account, signing up is quick and easy. With that out of the way, let's move on to preparing your video clips. The next step is to upload your 2 video clips into the Clipchamp editor. This is where the magic happens, so make sure to select the clips that you want to use for your comparison. Once your videos have been uploaded successfully, it's time to organize them on the timeline. In your timeline view, go ahead and drag and drop both video assets onto the timeline, one directly above the other. You'll notice that this will stack the video tracks. Having them this way makes it easy to apply effects or make adjustments without altering your original clips. Move your focus now to the next step, which involves selecting the top video track. Notice the floating toolbar that appears in the preview window. You'll find 3 dots there. Click on them and select the Picture-in-Picture or PIP option. This nifty tool allows you to overlay one video onto another, which is essential in creating a side-by-side visual. Now, once you've engaged the PIP mode, you can choose a position for your video. You can select one of the preset positions like top left, top right, bottom left, or bottom right. Alternatively, for a custom look, you can use the freehand tool to manually adjust both the size and position of your video on the screen. This personalization is great for ensuring the comparison is clearly visible. It's important to remember that the PIP tool will only affect one video clip. So, if you want that true side-by-side comparison, you'll need to select the other video on your timeline. Now, using the resize and reposition handles in the preview window, you can adjust the placement so it sits nicely alongside your first video. Feel free to experiment with positioning here to achieve the best side-by-side layout for your content. And finally, now that you've arranged both videos to your liking, it's time to wrap up the project by clicking the Export button. This will render your new side-by-side comparison video ready for you to share with the world. So, there you have it, a straightforward way to create engaging comparison videos using Clipchamp. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to play around with the features to fine-tune your skills. Thanks for watching.